Hey guys, this is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com bringing you my second Watchgang Black unboxing for January 2018. As you guys may have seen in my video yesterday, did a real quick unboxing of the Watchgang Black subscription that I received, the first one, which I'm actually wearing today. You might have seen it on our Instagram page at Instagram/watchaddiction.us. If you haven't, definitely go there, follow us, and you'll be able to see what's on my wrist every day. Now, today, as I mentioned yesterday, my second Black subscription came in, along with 2 Platinums and a Centum subscription. All came in today, so my mail carrier hates my freaking guts today, but you know what? It's part of the addiction. They're going to have to get over it. We're going to tear into this one, and then I'll do separate unboxing videos for my 2 Watchgang Platinum subscriptions, as well as the Watchgang Centum subscription. Likely only be able to get this video posted tonight. The other 3 will follow in the morning. And then over the weekend, we'll come back and take a deeper dive into all of these watches that I received, see what type of information I can find out about them, and we can go from there. Before I get started though, guys, can you do me a favor? Down there in the right-hand corner of the screen is that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that, guys, so you can follow us on into the future and be alerted when I do the follow-up reviews of these watches that I have received. Now, let's go ahead and get started and get this guy open. As you guys may have remembered, last night the box rattled like a, whatever I called it. This one's rattling the exact same. My gut tells me it's going to be the same company. We will find out. And alright, tearing into this box, very similar to my Watchgang Black subscription unboxing yesterday. We have a box within a box. We don't do that one because we have this one. Partner cards, which never focus for me. We know what those are. Let's get this watch open and hope to God that I did not end up with the same watch. Anybody that missed the video yesterday, that is the Watchgang Black subscription watch that I received for January 2018. Unboxed that guy yesterday. And packaging and everything is very much the same. So let's open this guy up. Fingers crossed, everybody. And what do we have? We have pretty much the same watch, just a different color. So I suppose you could say, technically speaking, I didn't get the exact same watch because they're 2 different colored dials. One thing I will say right off the bat is I'm glad that it met my preferences in the fact that they are stainless steel band and it's not a leather or silicone band, so that is a plus. Other plus real quick is these are automatics. I've worn this one all day. If you follow us, as I mentioned, on any kind of social media, you see me wear it. But that is the Watchgang Black subscription, the second and last Watchgang Black subscription that I've received for January 2018. Guys, I will be back over the weekend to take a deeper dive into both of these watches, considering I got pretty much the exact same watch. This tells me now I only have to do 1 video to be able to report on both of them, which is a benefit or a pain in the butt, depending on how you look at it. But guys, thank you very much for sticking around and watching this. Don't forget to come back over the weekend. Easiest way to do that is to subscribe in the right-hand corner of your screen so you can follow us and you'll be alerted when I post the follow-up reviews of these Watchgang Black subscription watches for January 2018. Thank you guys and have a great night.